In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero for support. Navigating the waters of accounting software can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you hit a snag and need some support. Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting solution, understands this and has streamlined the process to get you the help you need without unnecessary hassle. Whether you're a new user encountering your first hiccup or a seasoned pro facing a complex issue, this guide will walk you through contacting Xero support with ease. First things first, open your web browser of choice and head over to Xero's homepage. This is your gateway to accessing a range of services and support options tailored to your needs. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of navigation options, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on getting you support. At the top right corner of the Xero homepage, you'll find the login button. Click on it to start the process. This is a simple but essential step, as accessing support requires you to be logged into your account. It ensures that the support team can access your account details securely and provide you with the most accurate assistance. Upon clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take a moment to type in your credentials carefully. These details are your key to unlocking all Xero's features, including support, so ensuring accuracy here is crucial. After entering your details, click on Login. This will take you directly to your Xero dashboard, a hub for all your accounting needs and where the magic happens when it comes to managing your finances. Now here's where we zero in on accessing support. Look towards the top right of your dashboard and you'll spot a question mark icon. This little symbol is more helpful than it might appear at first glance. Clicking on it is your first step towards solving whatever challenge you're facing. Upon clicking the question mark, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Contact Xero Support. This option is specifically designed to connect you directly with Xero's support team. By choosing to contact support through your dashboard, you'll ensure a seamless experience, as the system automatically identifies your account, making it easier for the support team to assist you. Next, you'll be taken to a form that asks you to provide details about your concern. This is your opportunity to explain the issue you're encountering in as much detail as possible. The more information you provide, the better equipped the support team will be to offer you tailored advice and solutions. Remember, this step is crucial for a swift and effective resolution. So, take your time to describe the problem accurately. It's important to note that Xero values your time and understands that some concerns are more urgent than others. While Xero does not offer a direct phone line for general inquiries, they do provide a callback service for urgent matters free of charge. If your issue is pressing and impacts your ability to use Xero significantly, make sure to indicate the urgency when you contact support. This will prioritize your request and a member of the support team will call you back to assist further. In today's digital age, where efficiency and effectiveness are paramount, Xero's approach to support reflects a deep understanding of user needs. They've streamlined the process to not only resolve your issues quickly, but also to ensure that you feel supported at every step. So whether you're facing a minor hiccup or a major hurdle, remember that help is just a few clicks away. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to communicate your concerns to Xero's dedicated support team, ensuring you can get back to managing your accounts with minimal disruption. Remember, accurate information and clear communication are key to a speedy resolution, so take your time when detailing the issue. That wraps up our guide on how to contact Xero for support. Don't let a software hiccup slow you down. With these steps, you're well equipped to navigate any challenges and make the most of Xero's comprehensive accounting solutions. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to smooth sailing in your accounting endeavours with Xero by your side.